Well, hello there. Picture this, a vast desert, the sun setting, an electric feeling in the air. Important people are gathered, all eyes on a shape under a giant silk sheet. The sheet glides away, revealing the F-55, lightning's echo, some call it, or Skydreamer. This isn't just a name, it's a statement, a beautiful, awe-inspiring machine. Gleaming under the lights, it looks like something from the future. Today, June 1st, 2025. The crowd gasps, then applause. This jet, the F-55, is a leap. A giant, paradigm-shifting leap. Its lines, its build, the materials, this changes everything. Not just about speed or stealth, though it has those. It's about intelligence, adaptability, a new relationship between pilot and machine, between data and decision. Like the Wright brothers' first flight, this is a new era. We're standing at the beginning of it. The sheer audacity, the brilliance. It's quite something, isn't it? Think about that. Wow. What makes the F-55 tick? Let's talk engines. Adaptive cycle sentinels. They breathe and think differently. Switching from fuel-sipping cruise mode to full-blown combat thrust almost instantaneously. The power, the efficiency, like a hummingbird's wing and a rocket's fire. And then there's the brain. A distributed AI network called cognitoflight, not just autopilot but a co-pilot, strategist, guardian angel, processing information from countless sensors at light speed. It sees, predicts, reacts, and learns. The pilot can focus on the mission, the art of it all. Stealth? This is chameleon skin technology. Active, adaptive camouflage that can blend, almost disappear. Biomimetic composites, stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, self-healing. A fighter jet that can endure, shrug off hits and keep going. Its resilience, survivability. The F-55 is a marvel of engineering. A machine built piece by fascinating piece. It's the future. Incredible. Think about that. Wow. Amazing. Now the fun stuff. Directed energy coils for defense and offense. Precise electromagnetic pulses disrupting enemy sensors, scrambling guidance systems, nudging missiles off course. The Swarm Command Interface, F-55 as a conductor of autonomous drones. Wingmen, scouts, decoys, all directed through a neural link, extending the F-55's senses, reach, influence, speed, hypersonic in bursts, agile vector thrust, nozzles moving independently for incredible maneuverability, turning on a dime, performing aerial ballets, grace and lethality in one sleek package. The AI, stealth, directed energy, drone swarms, agility, all working together. An integrated weapon system, a holistic approach to air dominance. The F-55 thinks, adapts, conquers. It's a symphony, each instrument playing its part, creating something more, greater than the sum of its parts. The real magic of the F-55. Wow. Amazing. The art of air combat completely reimagined. The F-55 changes the dance of air combat. The old rulebook? Toss it. Dogfights as we knew them? History. The F-55 sees everything miles out in all directions. The pilot's role transforms into a mission commander. The synaptic link helmet integrates information directly, empowering the pilot to make decisions at the speed of thought. The AI handles flying, targeting, deploying countermeasures. A beautiful, deadly partnership. The F-55 orchestrates, sharing data with satellites, ground stations, other F-55s, and drone swarms, creating a real-time picture of the battle space, engaging targets from incredible distances with pinpoint accuracy. The psychological impact, knowing this phantom is out there. The uncertainty, the fear, changing calculations, strategies, deterrence. The F-55 isn't just a weapon, it's a message. A powerful message. Wow, amazing. Think about that. Global chessboard. The F-55 changes the pieces. When the F-55 lands on the global chessboard, the game changes. It's a new benchmark, a new standard. The United States has redrawn the lines of air superiority. The world is watching closely. How will other nations respond? That's the question. Some will try to catch up, pouring resources into next-generation programs. An arms race? Perhaps. New alliances may form, seeking access to similar technologies. The geopolitical landscape is fluid. The F-55 is a big rock dropped into that pond. The ripples will be felt for years, decades. Think about other modern jets. The Russian Su-57, the Chinese J-20. Impressive, but the F-55 feels like it's playing a different sport, a fundamental shift in capability, beyond just military might. The economic factor, the cost of developing and producing such a machine. Will it be exported, or a closely guarded secret? These decisions will shape alliances, influence foreign policy. The F-55 isn't just steel and circuits, it's a symbol, a tool of power, in a world that understands power very well. Wow. Yesterday's whispers, tomorrow's roar, a historical perspective. This isn't the first time a single invention has upended everything. Think about the first jet engine, or radar in World War II. The F-55 feels like one of those moments, a punctuation mark in military aviation, a before and an after. We're living in that after now. The SR-71 Blackbird had that same aura. The F-55 has that sense of untouchable superiority. It's about the legend it will create, the stories that will be told. These leaps in military tech often trickle down to everyday life. The internet, GPS both started as military projects. Cognito-flight AI, self-healing materials, sensor fusion, who knows what civilian applications might bloom. Safer cars, more efficient air travel, medical breakthroughs. The possibilities are fascinating. With great power come questions, ethical considerations. A weapon this advanced demands responsibility, wisdom, foresight. How will it be used? When? By whom? Technology is a tool. It can build, it can destroy. The F-55 is a powerful tool. Its impact depends on the hands that wield it. The sky's no limit. The F-55 and the future of flight. The F-55 is here, astounding, but not the end of the story. It's a new beginning, a platform designed to be adaptable, upgradable. The adaptive cycle sentinels can be improved. The Cognito-flight AI will keep learning, evolving. The F-55 of today is amazing, but the F-55 of tomorrow? Imagine. The nature of threats is always changing. The F-55 is a big move, but new challenges will emerge. Hypersonic missiles, advanced cyber warfare, directed energy weapons. The future of air combat will be about staying ahead. The F-55 is designed to meet the unknown head-on. The human element, the pilot's role will continue to evolve. The F-55 shows the pilot as a commander, decision-maker, moral compass. Future pilots may control fleets from the ground. The bond between human and machine will deepen. The F-55 is more than a fighter jet, it's a symbol of human ingenuity. Our drive to push boundaries, reach higher, see further. A new chapter in the skies filled with possibilities and challenges. The future of air dominance has arrived. It is breathtaking. The sky was never the limit, it was just the beginning.